Get the bold off-road looks and capability you want without negatively affecting handling and comfort. Introducing the Dynatrac EnduroSport Suspension System for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL. The EnduroSport Suspension System improves ride quality, handling, and stability. This system provides the perfect amount of lift to clear taller tires with zero cutting. It is simply the most comfortable and best handling suspension kit that allows you to easily fit 35-inch tall tires, and 37s will fit on Rubicon models. This is the suspension kit that makes everyday life enjoyable. Getting in and out of the Jeep will be easy for all family members. And the Jeep will still fit in home garages and parking structures. EnduroSport from Dynatrac gives your Jeep the capability to take you on more adventures, to do more, to see more, experience more, giving you the confidence to explore.